Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. Thank you for being here. And today I have, I got my Macys Beauty Box in the mail, so I'm going to share what's in there. I have another kind of something I'm going to share about the Macys Beauty Box in this video. So anyway, let's just get to it and see what we got in here. All right, friends, first of all, I want to thank you for being here. I do appreciate your support so much. You can support my channel by subscribing, hitting the like button, leaving me a comment. All those things are appreciated so much. I do reply to my comments. So anyway, there's that. So here's a sneak peek at what's in the box. And this box is, I guess it's a takeover from Tonymoly. And you always get like a $5 off coupon for beauty care. Sometimes every once in a while they give you $10 off or different coupons. But anyway, it's always kind of nice because it's like getting $5 back from your purchase of your box, but if you purchase items. But anyway, there we go. So so we've got a yellow bag here. It says Tonymoly, and let's see. So here's the bag. It's just kind of a canvas bag. It's got tone. I actually like the size of it. It's a little bit bigger than some, so it's nice. Got our pink tissue paper in here. So I guess this was kind of the extra thing they gave this month was the bag. So let's open this up and see what Tonymoly products we have in here. And I'm going to, okay, so the first thing, it looks like we have 5 items, okay? So the first thing I'm going to share is a mask, a Nutrition I'm Avocado Mask Sheet, it says, from Tonymoly. This is valued at $3, and anyway, that's about all I can say about it. Yeah, so it's just a nutrition mask. You know, I don't really love these kind of masks. So it's not something super exciting for me. Probably won't use it, but anyway. So there's that. And then we've got, it's called Wonder Creamide Mochi Toner from Tonymoly, and let's see what this is about. Ceramide. It's Ceramide Mochi, M-O-C-C-H-I, Mochi Toner. This is a sample, and the full size is valued at $23. This is actually a pretty good size though, sample. It's kind of a creamy toner and hydrating skin repairing toner that nourishes weak, dry skin with a hydrating viscous texture so skin looks and feels stronger and healthier. So that sounds really good for summer. So anyway, there's that. I think Tonymoly is a good brand for summer stuff, so that was probably nice that they, you know, use this as a takeover for a month. Now the third thing I have here is from I think it's this one. Wonder Ceramide Mochi Water Cream. Okay, so I've never been super big fan of water creams. I don't know why. Someone tell me why I should be a great fan of water creams. But anyway, so here's this. Just as another sample size. So anyway, there's that. And then the next thing I have here is Choc Green Tea Foam Cleanser. So anyway, a green tea foam cleanser from Tonymoly. And then the last thing I got, and this looks like it might be a full size, so that's kind of exciting. We don't always get full sizes. This is the cleanser is $14 for a larger size. This is Green Tea Sunlight Daily Defense Sunscreen, valued at $20. They did give us a full size of this, so that was nice. I actually have sunscreen coming out my ears right now because we've been getting them and everything. But anyway, this is a new one to me that I could try. So anyway, there's that. Let me see what they're sealed, so I'm not sure I want to open them. I was going to say, I don't know if there's a smell to these or anything. But anyway, so that's it. That's my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items plus the bag. So I'll go through these once again. I'll put these things in the bag. I've got the mask. I've got the toner. This sounds really great for summer, for hydrating and whatever. So there's that. We've got this is the water cream. This is the face wash. And then we've got the sunscreen. So all of this, anyway, that's our Macys Beauty bag, I guess I should say. It comes in a box, bag, whatever, for the month of July. So there we have it. Now I'm going to tell you, I just canceled my Macys subscription box. I'm trying to get rid of some of my subscriptions, and Macys was just one that doesn't always speak to me. Sometimes they have really good months, but rarely. You just get sample products, which are okay, but a lot of times they'll give you really small sample products, so you don't even have enough time to sample them. And they're always like usually really expensive items that I usually can't afford. I mean, I don't spend $200 to $400 on a little thing of cream. I just don't do that. But anyway, so it just isn't worth it to me to get this box. It's been, the funnest part is the element of surprise for me and just being able to get something. But I am toning down. I still prefer my Ipsy Glam bag over the Macys because sometimes I get full size in there. I get a lot of variety. I don't know. I like the variety I get there more. And it's more things that are more affordable for me that I can try. So anyway, that's my reason. So I'm really sad to say goodbye to Macys Beauty Box. But anyway, maybe I'll revisit again. Who knows? I have enjoyed it, and I don't tell people, I wouldn't tell people not to get it. It just is just, I get so many. So this is just one I'm saying goodbye to this month. So I will not get it for July. I wasn't too excited about the July. They let you see ahead what's coming, and July didn't look too, I mean, June, August. August did not look that great to me. But anyway, so that's it. Let me know what you think in the comments. I appreciate you guys being here so much. I appreciate your support. Thank you for being here. And I will see you all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.